Pt.2 Birds, and we are going to check out another bird.
And remember that one?
Yeah, that one. We don't want to go to that one because that mom is and I don't want to disturb it. So let's just stay away from it for now. Soon we'll
I can hear the mama bird.
You hear the mama?
Wait there, guys. Oh. It's kind of like blocked.
Isn't in that bird house? I don't think so.
I can hear the bird.
It's an alligator, guys. Look, it's an alligator.
Right.
That was fake. It was fake. Look. Wait.
Can you see it?
Should we go up there?
I think the
I'm
mama.
gonna go up there just for contact.
Here.
We're going up there for contact. I got a great view of it. Wait, crap! Crap! What? That's not a good idea, but I got a great view of the nest. You take it, you take it. You're a better cameraman than me. Guys, everybody spam in the comments, W cameraman.
I can hear it.
It's over there, it's over there. Let's get inside. Wait, can I have it? I'm gonna get a good view of the bird. Look inside the bird's nest. All right. Go. I got a great view of everything.
Do you want to do it again? Or the mama bird is kind of mad.
I'm scared of that thing. I never thought
Let's
scared of a freaking bird.
let's go and see if she's still there.
I think she's coming back.
Yeah, now she's like more louder.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good thing, guys.
Let's just do it one more time.
Yeah, let's do it one more time, and then I'm out. And then let's check some more birds next. The mama bird's not in here. Did you see that, guys? Guys, did you see that? Guys, you saw that, right?
I think one of the birds just hatched.
Wait, can I have it? I'm gonna go back up there. Go back up. One of the birds hatched, guys. Yeah? What?